In this video, you'll learn a quick and simple way to filter your contacts in Pipedrive. This will help you easily find the right people, stay organized, and work more efficiently. Right inside your Pipedrive account, on the left-hand sidebar, click on Contacts. At the top left of the contacts list, you'll see a button labeled Add Condition. This is Pipedrive's way of saying add a filter. Clicking this button opens up options that let you tell Pipedrive what you want to see, and just as importantly, what you don't. A condition is simply a rule. Go ahead and click Add Condition. Now set your filters based on what you need right now. Pick a field, choose the matching operator, and enter the value. As you do this, your list will refine in real time, so you can immediately see whether the filter is giving you the results you want. If you need to be more specific, you can add additional conditions to narrow your list further. In a few seconds, you'll have a focused list you can act on right away. Keep using the same approach anytime you need a targeted view, and you'll save time, reduce clutter, and stay on top of what matters most. If you found this helpful, be sure to try it out in your own Pipedrive account and see how much easier managing contacts becomes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips to boost your productivity.